morning. Welcome back to Social Studies. Everybody open your page number 13 and the second unit is Earth. We'll now see about the Earth. How the Earth is look? Yes, Earth is look always in the form of global. Yes, we only know that much, right? Now we'll see inner layer of Earth. How many layers we have on the Earth? How many layers we have on the Earth? We have 3 layers. Which all those? Core, mantle and crust. Core, mantle and crust. Right? Which all core? See, this is white part is inner core. Orange, yellow part is outer core. Mantle part is red, and this is the black part. Can see everybody? Yes, that is known as crust. Okay. Yes. How many? See, this is inner layer. That inner core will be no. Inner core and outer core both will be at same temperature. That is 4,099 degree Celsius. How many Celsius we have? 4,900 degree Celsius. Yes. And what about this mantle? Yeah, the mantle temperature will be 2,175 degree Celsius. Yes. What about this crust? This crust will be 870 degree Celsius. Clear? Yes. And look at here. Same picture you have to apply here, and this will be your homework. Okay. How many layers we have in the Earth? We have 3 layers. Which all those? Core, mantle and crust. In core how many layers we have? Both. 2 cores. Which all those? Inner and outer. And what is the temperature of core? 4,900 Celsius. Yes. What about the mantle temperature? 2,175 degree Celsius. What about this crust? 870 degree Celsius. Okay. Yes. Now everybody got through we studied only about Earth. Now we got to know how many layers we have. Especially in the south pole of the magnet towards the Earth and north pole of the magnet towards the Earth south pole. Right? See, look at here. This is the picture. Okay. See, this is the half of the world. In the top of the world, this is north pole, this is south pole. Okay. In this half of the world, we can see core, mantle and crust. And in core we have 2 types, inner core and outer core. In the degree of 4,900 degree Celsius. This is mantle was 2,175 degree Celsius. Crust was 870 degree Celsius. Now we'll see structure of the Earth. Our Earth is made up of 3 layers. Yes, previous only I explained. Earth is made up of 3 layers. It is outermost layer is called as crust. See, this is outermost layer we called as crust. The middle layer is called as mantle. See, this is the middle layer. Middle layer is called as mantle. And the innermost layer is called as core. Yes, this innermost layer is called as core. Yes, the core is further divided into 2 layers. I said you right already. Yes, which all those? Yes, outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core. The Earth has no light of its own. Yes, Earth won't have light of its own. It will receive the light from the sun. Yes, always the Earth is dependent on the sun because Earth won't have its own light. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see this picture is also will be your homework. You have to copy paste here. Clear? This both is your homework, page number 14 and page number 15. Now we will see how much of oxygen and nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other in our earth we all have. We have in our earth how many percent of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other. We will see now in this pie chart. So copy paste this pie chart. This will be your homework. Clear? Yes. Now we will see nitrogen of 78%, oxygen of 21%, carbon dioxide of 0.03% and others is 1%. Now we will see very briefly here. Composition of the air. Up to about 50 kilometers from the earth, air consists about 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.03% of carbon dioxide and 1% of water vapor and other gas. Okay, we'll see. The earth temperature, weather, atmosphere, presence of a water and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. Yes, what it will do? The earth temperature, weather or atmosphere or a presence of a water and many other factors are just right to keep us alive. What all the temperature will be on the earth, like whether it might be atmosphere or the presence of water and many other factors, just it will keep us as a alive. Without water we can live? No. Without air we can live? No. Yes, right? So the temperature, it will always be in the earth. The earth exists of a pull on us which is called as force of gravity. See, this is the pencil. If I put to the pencil will go and fall down, right? That is nothing but force of the gravity. See how it falls down? Yes, that is nothing but the force of the gravity. The earth always pulls the force of the gravity. Yes, we can escape from the face of the earth. We can escape from the face of the earth into space if we moved at the speed of 11 kilometers second. Yes, we can escape from the face of the earth, okay, but into the space we'll move at the same speed until 11 kilometers. Okay, we cannot escape from the face of the earth or from above the 11 kilometers. Only we can escape from the face of the earth. It can move at the speed of 11 kilometers per second. Okay. Anyway, students, we'll discuss about a later further class and what all we studied. The structure of the earth. How many layers we have? 3 layers. Which are those? Core, mantle and crust. In core we have divided again subdivided as 2 layers. Which are those? Inner and core. Yes, this outer layer is known as crust and the middle layer is known as mantle and the 2 inner and outer layer, inner 2 layers is known as core. Okay. Anyway, students, the page number 14 this diagram, page number 15 pie chart will be your homework. Please make sure complete it and send me a picture. Okay. Anyway, thank you, students.